what I said in my last video, I meant it. And guess what's happened? Let's start off with the jelly cat. I was so impressed when I got this in a £30 mystery bundle. And it's normally £40. Hi guys! So I've literally just not posted for a whole month. I honestly did not mean to do that, but what I said in my last video, I meant it. And guess what's happened? I'm on the TikTok Creator Fund! Now, if I earn a certain amount and I don't put an ID in by that time, it does get paused. But I'm going to sort that ID situation out because it won't take that ID that I've got. So I need to update my passport. But I'm on the TikTok Creator Fund. So I thought I would film a video. I want to do a proper sit down live update. I might do that today. But for today's vlog, we're going to have a productive day. I'm going to show you some videos behind the scenes because I've got some videos I want to film for TikTok. Because I take myself as a full-time content creator now. I still have my part-time job because obviously I can't just be like, jump into the deep end, hope for the best, and that I earn all the money that I earn from my job, because that's not how it works. Yeah, we're being delulu this year, but not that delulu that we just jump off the edge of the earth and just abandon the job that gets you money. So yeah, I am still working my ass off, but it's just been so busy after work. I need to have a proper sit down chat about it, and I'm not going to do it in this vlog, but like obviously you can, it's in my mind now, I'm like, I'm a full-time content creator. But also, I said this on TikTok last night, is because of that, I'm like, should I come back to YouTube? But whenever I came back on YouTube or did TikTok, I could never do them both together. That is my problem. But my mindset's changed. I don't know why. Now that I'm like, there's proof that I'm like, I could possibly make this a full-time thing. Obviously, I still need to work hard. I still need to post videos. I still need to get over 1,000 views, and I don't get that right now. So I still need to do that work, hard work. But in my mind, I'm like, I'm a full-time content creator. And I said to my friend, I was like, well, this was on my bingo card, but it wasn't at the same time. I don't know why that's a thing, but everyone's like, well, this wasn't on my 2024 bingo card. But I didn't actually write this goal down. I chucked my vision board just because it was always falling off. But I remember what's on it, and I haven't even hit any of them goals, except from the Pink concert and the Taylor Swift concert, and working out actually. I've started to work out again. Again, I would talk about all of this in my life update, because I generally think since doing what I did on TikTok, or still do on TikTok, it's changed my mindset. But that doesn't change the way my room looks. My room looks like a mess. So let's get back into this actual vlog and let's tidy my room. Because even though they say a good clean room, good mindset, productivity, I don't believe in that anymore. Because yes, I'm looking at my room right now and I'm like, it needs a clean, it needs a tidy. But at the same time, I know why it's got this messy. Because I've worked my ass off. But yeah, let's start with feel like I want to start with the bed. Well, not the actual bed, but the stuff on the bed. So we're going to put YouTube on and we're going to deep clean, kind of. We're going to do a tidy with me. So I hope you enjoyed this. My room tidied and I can move about so much now. There's actually a floor. It sounds bad. It was getting to that point. And that stuff there I need to put in a bin, but I'll do that at some point. But I have tidied my room. So to end this video off, I thought I would show you some bits that I have been buying because of trying to create content. The thing that I love the most is come shopping with me, as you have seen throughout the year, and that's what I've been doing on my TikTok as well. I pretty much do the content that I used to do on here, that I still do on here, but more on TikTok now. But let me show you some things, some added things I've got the past month. But this is just a couple of things I've been loving this month and a couple of things I've bought lately the past month or so. So let's start off with the Jellycat. I love this Jellycat. It sits on top of my mirror at my desk. So you might have saw it earlier in the time lapse, but this is the recent purchase of the Jellycat and I love it. Jellycats are expensive, but I love the collection. I've only got 3 now, but the collection is slowly growing. I found this in the range yesterday. I've not been able to find this for ages. I now need to find my... No way! I think I might do it as a tip. Yes. I've got my friendship bracelets in here. So this will be happening. I've got so much content I want to film today. I will be filming some in a bit. Now I've got marshmallows. You cannot go without some Halloween or Christmas marshmallows. I love them. I got the Viral body wash. I actually prefer this in the body wash, the shower gel, than the fragrance. So I'm not going to show you because I've got it in this little cabinet. I will show you that because that's off TikTok shop. There is so much stuff I've got off TikTok shop. I might do an updated like what I've bought off TikTok shop because that video went really well. But this is pumpkin spice and I've got the fragrance of that as well, but I love it. I also have the candy floss one that I've recently used. I used that in the shower today after my workout. I then have this lipstick from P. Louise, and it's such a pretty colour. I don't know how well you can see that, but I will show you it after. So I've got that from P. Louise. I got this. I've only got it like 2 days ago, but I've applied it and it's like, you would think it would be bright, but it's not. It's such a nice subtle blusher. I also have got this blush lately that again I want to do a TikTok on. I want to try this one out. There was loads of them that were open, but this one wasn't. The first one that I saw that was this colour that was open, I obviously didn't get it, but then I found another bit that had one that wasn't open, and it was 2 for £16, but I just got one. I don't know if I like this or not. I haven't done a full-on review of this, but this is from TikTok Shop as well. The only reason why I don't think I like it is because the pump isn't that great. Like, I need to proper press hard to get like the aesthetic lines, and then holding it in. When you've got it on, it's so smooth and it's so refreshing and hydrating, but actually applying it is a bit of a hassle. Next thing I got from P. Louise. P. Louise was a brand that I tried last month for the first time, so that's why there's loads of P. Louise stuff, and I tried out the mystery bundles. So I got this brown mascara. I love the applicator of it. Do the beauty guru thing. You can see that. It's so nice. And then the last and final thing I've been using lately is this makeup palette. I was so impressed when I got this in a £30 mystery bundle, and it's normally £40, or for both of the palettes it's normally £65, and someone actually bought that last month. I was so happy. It was the most I've ever earned from commission, but look how pretty it is. But that is all, and I got this, and it smells delicious. I want to eat it, but I'm not allowed. And I will be doing a TikTok about that tomorrow. This is kind of a life update, but I just wanted to do a quick tidy with me and vlog, and show you some bits I've been buying lately for TikTok or just in general. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, this vlog, and I will see you soon. But if you want to check out my TikToks, I will link it down below. Bye guys.